Can the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan provide long-term financial stability for your family with guaranteed benefits? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana is about. So, this is an individual non-linked participating savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of this policy are you have to pay premium for just 10 years and you can enjoy the life coverage for 15 years. And upon maturity, you receive the sum assured along with any declared bonuses. And the event of death of the policyholder during the 15-year policy term, your family will receive the sum assured plus any applicable simple reversionary or terminal bonuses. And this policy is designed to support your long-term savings goal. So these are some of the features of this policy. Now let's take a look at the benefits. So you have the maturity benefit which you get once the policy matures. So the policyholder will get a base sum assured plus accrued simple reversionary bonus plus terminal bonus if it was declared. Next is the death benefit. So in case of death of the policyholder, the nominee will get death sum assured plus accrued simple reversionary bonus if declared plus terminal bonus also if declared. So your death sum assured is defined as higher of any of these three options you can see on the screen, which is either your 10 times your annualized premium or absolute amount assured to be paid on death or 105% of your total premium paid till the date of death. So out of these, whichever is higher in value at the time of death of the policyholder, that will be given as a death benefit to the nominee or the legal heir. And this policy also provides you with bonuses. One is a simple reversionary bonus, which is declared every year starting from the third year onwards, and it is expressed as a percentage of the sum assured. So it is payable on the death of the policyholder or on maturity or on surrender, whichever comes earlier. Next is a terminal bonus which is declared from year 5 onwards. So it will be accrued as a percentage of the accrued simple reversionary bonus. So it is also payable along with death or maturity benefit. So these are some of the bonuses you get from this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan. So let's start with the advantages. The advantage is you pay premium for a limited duration and enjoy life coverage throughout your entire policy term. And you can even avail a loan of up to 90% of the special surrender value. Now, if you take a look at the disadvantage, it would be your policy term and premium payment period lack flexibility. So the sum assured here provided is also insufficient to cover your family's basic financial needs. These are also some certain factors you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in this policy. Now let's move on to analyzing this policy as we now have a basic understanding of what PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan is about. So like other endowment plans, this plan also offers life coverage throughout your policy term with a maturity benefit at the end. But the cash flow here is simple. You pay premium for a limited period and then receive a lump sum upon maturity. So what we are going to do is, besides the cash flow, we are going to calculate the IRR, the internal rate of return, to help us in assessing whether the estimated returns are worth investing or not. So just for an example purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male opts for the Bachat Yojana plan with a sum assured of 2.84 lakhs. So the policy term here is 15 years and he pays an annual premium of 23,999 for 10 years. So if all premiums are paid, the maturity benefit including bonuses is provided to the policyholder. So as you can see from this example, how we are going to calculate the IRR is based on assumed investment rate of 4% and 8%, which indicates the worst and best case scenario respectively. These returns are not guaranteed and don't represent the maximum or minimum return you can earn from the policy. We're just using this for an example purpose. So the estimated maturity benefit at 4%, which is the worst case scenario, is 2.97 lakhs, which yields you an IRR of 2.04% as per the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan maturity calculator, which is lower than your typical savings account rate. So if you have not invested your money anywhere else and just kept it in your savings bank account, it will still give you little bit more returns than this. We can see that this plan is not offering you any unique addition or unique value by giving you an IRR of 2.04%. But fine, this is for worst case, right? But what is the case for best case scenario? So at 8%, the projected maturity benefit is 4.03 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 4.97%, which is less than what bank fixed deposits offer. So you're taking risk, you're investing for a long term period, and still it's not even giving you a return which is worth what a debt fund or a bank FD could give you. Finally, as we can see, while this plan spans 15 years, the returns do not outpace inflation. It has an unbalanced risk return ratio because it's not giving you the proper risk adjusted return that you invest for a long term like this. So, and the life cover also seems to be insufficient in this case, which makes this policy an unsuitable choice for meeting your financial goals. So now we are going to compare the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan with other investment products or other investment alternative strategy, just to see if we can get better life coverage and better returns compared to this policy by doing a comparative analysis. So what we are going to do is, for life coverage, it's always wise to choose a pure term policy because these policies provide only life cover. So paying a death benefit in case of an unfortunate event with no other benefits payable, which helps us make our investments separate from life coverage. So the IRDAI has standardized a pure term policy called Saral Jeevan Bima, which is offered by all insurers. So let us analyze the cost-effective feature of such policies using an example scenario. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do an example where we are going to take Saral Jeevan Bima plan as a pure term insurance policy and invest in it. So here the minimum sum assured is 5 lakhs and the maximum is 25 lakhs, making it accessible to a broader section of society, particularly those in the informal or unorganized sector. So we have chosen a pure term policy with a 5 lakh sum assured, which cost around 4,600 in premium, whereas the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana charges 23,999 rupees for a sum assured of 2.8 lakhs. So by investing the difference based on your risk tolerance, you can achieve better return. So here, for high risk investor, you might choose equity, while conservative investor could opt for debt. But in this example, we have chosen equity linked savings scheme, which is the ELSS mutual fund, which you can see if you invest in it consistently for 7 to 10 years for a long term period, it has, as per the track record, given you average 12% or even outperform those returns. And also it has tax benefits. So as you can see, investing in this combined with a combination of term insurance grows to 6.71 lakhs over 15 years with a post-tax value of 6.27 lakhs. So which gives you an IRR of 9.26%. So this alternative approach offers you with both higher life coverage and better return than the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan, making the plan inadequate for those seeking robust protection and financial growth. So what is the final verdict on the PNB MetLife Bachat Yojana plan? Is it worth investing or not? So this is a basic endowment plan that provides you with life coverage and maturity benefit with bonuses. But however, the policy term and premium payment period are fixed, which offers you with no flexibility for adjustment based on your financial needs or your convenience. The return analysis also shows that it is a low yielding product that may not help you achieve your financial goals, and also it has a high agent commission. Additionally, the sum assured is relatively low compared to the standard set by IRDAI for pure term policy. Overall, this policy falls short in both life coverage and investment return. So what you can do instead? For effective life coverage, opt for a pure term life insurance policy which is cost effective and also gives you higher coverage tailored to your future goals, current earnings and liabilities. So in contrast to endowment plan, pure term policy focus solely on life protection. Simultaneously, you can also build a diversified investment portfolio, which is crucial for your wealth growth and achieving your long-term financial goals, which ensures overall financial security. So keeping insurance and investment separate will help you achieve your goals and even get you inflation beating returns in the long run.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.